In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Microsoft Teams. This simple yet fun feature adds a bit of flair and expression to otherwise straightforward chats. So let's dive right in and explore how to do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to sign into Microsoft Teams. Navigate to the Teams application on your device and enter your login credentials, making sure you're connected to the right tenant or organizational account. If necessary, double check your login hint, which usually corresponds to your email address linked to the account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main interface of Microsoft Teams. It's here that you can navigate through your channels, chats, and settings. What we're interested in for sending a GIF is the chat section, so go ahead and select either an existing conversation with a person or group, or start a new chat by clicking on the chat icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. After you've entered a chat, direct your attention to the bottom options in your chat window. Here you'll find several icons, including one that looks like an emoji smiley face. Click on this emoji icon. It might already be familiar to you if you've used it to add emojis to your messages in the past. Clicking this icon will open a small drop-down menu showing various symbols, and it's also your gateway to the world of GIFs. Now that you've opened the emoji drop-down, look closely for the GIF option. Clicking on this will redirect you to a large collection of GIFs. These are often sorted by trending topics, categories, or through a handy search bar enabling tailored selections. If you have a particular occasion or need in mind, whether it's to convey excitement, ask a sarcastic question, or just add a bit of humor to your chat, use the search function to find the perfect GIF. Once you find a GIF that fits your mood or message, it's time to send it. Simply click on your chosen GIF and it will automatically populate in your message input area. Before hitting that send button, make sure it's exactly what you want to express. If it isn't quite right, you can easily remove it from the input field and choose another. Otherwise, go ahead and hit send. Your chat participants will see it immediately. Sending a GIF in Microsoft Teams can make your messages not only more dynamic, but can help convey emotions that might be hard to express through text alone. As you become more comfortable with using GIFs, you'll find they're a creative way to communicate. And there you have it. Sending a GIF in Microsoft Teams is quick, easy, and can make your conversations much more lively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.